In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make crawling or moving text in CapCut PC. If you want to create a smooth, continuous scrolling ticker or marquee-style text crawl across the bottom of your video, this is one of the easiest ways to do it in CapCut on a PC. The good news is that you only need a simple text layer and a couple of keyframes to make the motion happen. First, let's set up the starting position for the text. Go down to your timeline and click once on your text asset block so it's selected. Once that text layer is active, move your cursor up to the preview window in the center of the screen. Click and hold the text box, then drag it all the way off-screen to the right. You want the text positioned so that only the very first letter is just barely visible at the edge of the frame. This gives you a clean entry point and makes the crawl look like it's naturally moving into view instead of already sitting on screen. Next, we need to tell CapCut exactly where that movement begins. Move your timeline playhead to the very first frame of the text block. This is important because wherever the playhead is placed determines where your keyframe will be recorded. After that, go to the top right Properties panel. Under the Video section and then the Basic submenu, find the Position controls. On the right side of Position, click the keyframe diamond icon once. As soon as you do that, CapCut creates a blue diamond on the timeline, which locks in this off-screen starting position. Now let's create the endpoint for the movement. Drag the playhead all the way to the last frame of the same text block on your timeline. Then return to the preview monitor, click your text box, and drag it across in a perfectly straight line until it goes completely off-screen on the far left side. To help keep the movement level, hold down the Shift key while dragging. That makes it much easier to keep the text from drifting up or down as it moves across the screen. As soon as you reposition the text at the end of the clip, CapCut automatically adds a second keyframe for you. At this point, the animation is complete. When you press play, your text will smoothly crawl from right to left across the bottom of your video. That's all it takes. Place the text off screen on the right, add a starting keyframe, move to the end of the clip, drag the text off screen to the left, and let CapCut generate the motion between those 2 points. And just like that, your crawling text effect is ready to go.